In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp to manage a personal home renovation. If you're tackling a remodel, ClickUp can keep every task, cost, and timeline in one clear place. Start by heading to clickup.com. On the login screen, choose Continue with Google, then select your Google account to sign in. Once you're in, open the space you want to work with. A space is like a container for a project or theme. Using a dedicated renovation space keeps everything organized and easy to find. Inside the space, click the plus sign to create something new, and choose Templates. Templates are pre-built structures, so you don't have to start from scratch. In the template library, search for Home Renovation Template and select it. Click Use Template, confirm by clicking Use Template again, and give it a moment to generate. While it loads, know that this will build out lists and fields tailored to typical renovation work, which you can fully customize. With the template ready, begin personalizing it. Click the task name and rename it to match your project item, like kitchen cabinets or bathroom tile, so it's immediately clear what the task covers. Next, edit the area field to specify where the work happens, such as kitchen, living room, or exterior. Update the stages to reflect your workflow. Common stages include planning, demolition, installation, and finishing, but choose labels that fit how you actually manage work. Set your start date so scheduling lines up with contractor availability or delivery lead times, and pick a realistic due date that includes a buffer for delays. Now capture your budget details. Open labor cost and enter the expected service cost for that task. Do the same with material costs for items like lumber, fixtures, or paint. Keeping these fields updated helps you compare estimates to actuals later. To improve prioritization, click the plus sign to add a new field, type priority, and select the priority field type. After it's added, you can mark tasks as urgent, high, or normal to focus on what matters first. Finally, if you want to break the work down further, click Add Task within the same area to create more detailed action items. Repeat these edits: name, area, stage, dates, costs, and priority, so every task tells you exactly what needs to happen, when, and how much it should cost. That's it. You've used a ClickUp template to stand up a complete renovation workspace, then customized it to fit your home and timeline.